Max Celebrates Chinese New Year by Adria F. Klein. Illustrated by Myrnie Gallagher Cole. Max and Lily are good friends. Lily invites Max to a party with her family. Tomorrow is the first day of the Chinese New Year. Lily is very excited. She tells Max that the Chinese New Year is like the New Year's Day he celebrates. Max celebrates on January 1st. The Chinese New Year takes place in January or February. It lasts 15 days. Lily's family celebrates each day in special ways. Lily and her parents get ready for the party. They clean the house. Max helps them. Lily and Max put a red cloth on the dinner table. Red is for good luck. Lily puts flowers on the table. Flowers are for happiness. Max puts oranges on the table. Oranges, too, are for good luck. The next day, Lily, her parents, and Max wear new clothes for the Chinese New Year. They eat sweet rice. They eat cookies and sweet candy, too. Lily and Max have a lot of fun watching the dragon parade. Max wants to celebrate the Chinese New Year with Lily every year. Max and Lily are good friends.
Awesome job, boys and girls. Now we're going to take the quiz on this book. Okay, boys and girls, so question number 1. Max celebrates New Year's Day on A, the second Sunday in February, B, March 31st, C, January 1st, or D, the first day of winter. Can anybody tell me the answer? Yes, correct. January 1st. Awesome job. Question number 2. What is true about the Chinese New Year? A, it takes place in the summertime. B, it's celebrated twice a year. C, it lasts 15 days. Or D, it is on the shortest day of the year. C, it lasts 15 days. What color is for good luck? A, blue. B, purple. C, red. Or D, green. Can anybody tell me the answer? Correct. Yes, boys and girls, it is C, red. Flowers are for A, fresh starts. B, health. C, riches, or D, happiness? You all say letter D, happiness. Now question number 5. Max and Lily have a lot of fun watching the A, dragon parade, B, go-kart race, C, kite flying contest, or D, marching band. Yes, boys and girls, letter A. How much did you all like the book? 4 stars? Yes, I liked it too. And we got 100. Good job, boys and girls. And we are finished.